This is two worksheets in one. Use the top section to itemize deductions or claim adjustments to income. Use the bottom section if you work 2 or more jobs or you and your spouse both work. Some lines require additional income information such as itemized deductions, adjustments to income, non-wage income, and income from your lowest and highest paying jobs. Collect any and all information that applies to you before proceeding. On line 1, add together the following expenses. To identify all potential deductions, follow the provided link and review page 8. On line 2, write $12,700 if you are filing taxes with a spouse or you are a widow. Write $9,350 if you are unmarried, pay for more than half of your household expenses, and claim someone other than your spouse as a dependent. Write $6,350 if you are single or not filing taxes with a spouse. On line 3, write the difference of line 1 and line 2. If the answer is 0 or negative, just write 0. On line 4, write your additional tax deductions. To identify all potential tax deductions, follow the provided link. On line 5, write the sum of line 3 and line 4. On line 6, write the total income you received other than your employment wages, such as interests, dividends, alimony, unemployment compensation, or self-employment income. On line 7, write the difference of line 5 and line 6. If the difference is 0 or negative, just write 0. On line 8, use a calculator to divide line 7 by $4,050 and drop any fraction. If the difference is 0 or negative, just write 0. On line 9, write the value on line H from the personal allowances worksheet covered in the previous video. On line 10, put the sums of line 8 and line 9. If you are also completing the 2 jobs multiple earners worksheet, write line 10 on line 1 below. Otherwise, write line 10 on line 5 of the W-4 form on the previous page. Begin the 2 earners multiple jobs worksheet by writing on line 1 either the number from line H on the previous page or line 10 above. On line 2, write the number indicated on table 1 that applies to your lowest paying job. If you are filing taxes with a spouse, use the left column and do not enter more than 3 if your highest paying job wages are less than $65,000. If you are single, use the right column. If line 1 is greater than or equal to line 2, subtract line 2 from 1 and write the resulting number on line 3, even if the answer is 0. Do not continue the worksheet. Enter line 3's number on line 5 of the W-4 form. However, if line 1 is less than 2, enter 0 and continue the worksheet. On line 4, copy and paste line 2. On line 5, copy and paste line 1. On line 6, write the difference of line 5 and line 4. On line 7, write the number indicated on table 2 that applies to your highest paying job. If you are filing taxes with a spouse, use the left column. If you are single, use the right column. On line 8, multiply line 6 and line 7. On line 9, divide line 8 by how many pay periods are left in this year. Copy line 9 onto line 6 on the W-4 form on the previous page. Continue on to the W-4 form Part 3 instructional video.